Today we're going to talk about our Gingko Kit and show you the order of punching we recommend and where to put each color. If you are new to punch needle and want to learn the basics, we have excellent live online classes through the Oxford Rug Hooking School. You can find our class schedule under the Oxford Rug Hooking School section at amyoxford.com. Now on to the kit. The Gingko Kit comes with the pattern traced on monk's cloth, Violet Jane 100% wool yarn in the colors and amounts needed for the pattern, and a stitch gauge to help you measure your stitches. Also included are instructions with punching pointers and useful tips to get you started. Besides the kit, you will need a frame. Our 10x10, 14x14, or 18x18 inch frames will all work with this kit. You can also use a 14-inch no-slip hoop. You'll also need a number 9 or number 10 regular point Oxford punch needle, and a pair of small, sharp, pointed scissors. We'll start with the border using the Mountain Mama yarn color. The border will be 2 rows wide. Punch the first row right on the black line using 6 stitches per inch. You can use your stitch gauge here to check your stitches. Make your second row outside the line, also using 6 stitches per inch. Next, we'll punch the leaf outline and the leaf veins using washed out back roads. Here we also use 6 stitches per inch. Now use lobelia to punch the water droplets. We use 4 to 8 punches per drop to make the various sizes as needed. Use your scissors to push in the loose end as you go along to make it easier to see the small area you are punching. Here we use haystack to fill in the leaf. Punch 1 row around the edge of the leaf and around each vein. Use 4 stitches per inch when you punch the outlines. Then fill in the rest of the leaf, also using 4 stitches per inch. And finally, we'll punch the background with bleached white. Again, using 4 stitches per inch. Start with 1 row around the inside edge of the border, 1 row around the outside edge of the leaf, and 1 row around each water drop. You can then fill in the remaining area as you like. Now that your punching is done, it's time to clean up the front. Snip the ends even with the top of the loops. Straighten any loops that look out of place by poking them with the tip of your scissors until you're happy with the way it looks. To learn more about hemming your finished piece, be sure to check out Amy's tutorial where she covers all those details. This Gingko project is also featured in Chapter 7 of Amy's excellent book, Punch Needle Rug Hooking, your complete resource to learn and love the craft. Thanks for watching and happy punching!